Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dear children. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online session. So this time is your revision time. So you revise all the topics related to your subjects. Which subject is going on? Maths. Which period is going on? Math period is going on. So today we will revise after, before numbers. You know about after numbers, before numbers. So once again we will revise the topic after and before number. First we will revise after number, after that before number. So write down the heading after numbers. A F T E R, after numbers. N U M B E R S, full stop. After numbers. Write down the heading after numbers. After numbers, write down the heading. Okay, so you write down the heading. Then write the examples. What is the examples? Okay, you see the board and write down the spelling. You see AFTER, right after, then write numbers NUMBERS, after numbers. Number 1. What is the after number of 1, 3, 30? Write in a box. What is the after number of 30? So what we will do? We will revise from 1 to 13. Yes, revise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is the after number of 13? Is 1, 4, 14. Right? 1, 4, 14. You see? 13 and 14. So 13 after 14 will come. Then write number 2. Number 2 is Number 2 is 10. What is the number 10? Write in a box. What is the after number of number 10? What is the after number of number 10? Revision of counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, what is the after number of 10? Number 11. After 10, which number will come? 11 number will come. So 10 after 11. 1 is done. 2 is done. Then write number 3. Seven. What is the after number of number 7? What is the after number of number 7? After 7. Tell me. Revise the counting from 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after number of 7 is 8. Write here 8. 8. 13 after 14, 10 after 11 and 7 after 8. If you want, you write the example in a B and C like this. Then C after D. What is number D? D is 5. Now what is the after number of number 5? Start counting from 1 to 5. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After number of 5 is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 examples are done. Now move to the next line. A, B, C, D are done. After D, write down E. Write number E. E is 18. Now what is the after number of 18? Tell me what is the after number of 18? Start counting from 1 to 18. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 19. So what is the after number of 18? Is 19. Write down 5 examples of after numbers. First is 13, 14. You see. Next is 10, 11, 7, 8, 5, 6 and 18 and 19. Write down 5 examples of after number. After that, we'll write the before number. 5 examples of our before number. Write fast. Write fast after numbers, then we will write before numbers. You see the board? All the numbers are visible. Now once again I am say the numbers, so you listen careful. Check your notebook. Are you correct or not? This is number 13. 1 1 4 14, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 7 8, 5 6, and here 1 8 18 and 1 9 19. So after number we will done. After number we will write before numbers. What we will write? Before numbers. So write before numbers heading. What is the heading? B E F O R E. Before numbers. N U M B E R S. Full stop. Before numbers. The heading is before numbers. Write down the heading first, then write down the examples of before numbers. Write down the heading, and after that write down the examples of before number. Before number is difficult as compared to after number, so we will take so many examples of before number. हमने after number के कितने examples लिए थे? 5. तो हम before number के लेंगे 10. Okay, so are you ready for this? Write down before number and write down the examples. Example A is first make block and here write number 8. What is the before number of number 8? It is very simple. When you write counting from 1 to 20, here you will write counting from 1 to 20, then write the before numbers. So what is the counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. Here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 2, 0, 20. Like this you write all the numbers side of your notebook and write the before number. Now what is the before number of number 8? Check out your line. What is the before number of number 8? The before number of 8 is number 7. So here write number 7. In this box you write number 7. Before number of 8 will be number 7. Then write number B. Make a box and here write 1 7 17. Now what is the before number of 17? Check the line. Before number of 17 is 16. So write here 1 6 16. Before number of 17 is 1 6 16. Before number of 8 is 7. Before number of 17 is 16. Then write number C. When number C is first you make a box, write before number and write down the example is 4. Now what is the before number number of number 4. Check out the line. Before number of 4 is 3. So in this box, write number 3. The before number of 4 is number 3. Then write D. Example number D. First we make a box and write the number 2. Now what is the before number of number 2? Check out the line. What is the before number of 2 is 1. Number 1. So in this box, write number 1. After D, example number E. Here write 11. Now what is the before number of number 11? So number 11, what is the before number of 11? Is number 10. 1, 0, 10. After number 10, 11 will come. So before number of 11 is number 10. So in this box, write 1, 0, 10. So now write all the 5 examples. After this, we will write next 5. Write next 5. So write too fast all the 5 examples. After E, write down F. So in this side, write down F, G, H, I and J. Now, first to make a box and write number 15. Now, what is the after number of, before number of 15? Check the line. Before 15 is 14. Write in this box 1, 4, 14. Then example number G. First we will make a box and write number 9. Now what is the before number of number 9? Is number 8. Right here number 8. Before number of number 9 is 8. 9 के पहले number 8. And before 15 is 14. So check the line and write down the fill. Right number is 6. Now tell me what is the before number of 6? Then before number of 13. Then before number of 2020. Right with yourself. Check the line and write the answers. Write 3 examples yourself. Check a line and write the numbers. What is the before number of number 6? Check the line. Is number 5? So write number 5. 13. 1, 3, 13. Check the line. What is the before number of 13? Is 12. So write here 12. Before number of 20. Check the line. Before number of 20 is number 19. So write here 1, 9, 19. So I am giving you clue. Written? Okay. So this is the 5, 12 and 9. This is the before number and after numbers. revision. So at home you also many times practice for after numbers and before numbers. You take so many examples with the help of book and write the after and before numbers. So now your lecture is over. Bye. Have a nice day and please do work on time. Bye. Take care.